Today we're drawing Bingo. Bingo's from my favourite show, Bluey. And Bingo is Bluey's little sister.
And coming up later on, behind this door, we have a great surprise for Toby. You're not going to want to miss out.
To start the drawing, we're going to use a black texter.
Okay, so we'll just start off with the eye.
What? An eye.
Yep. And there, draw a line like that. Like a circly triangle like that. Yep. And then go down a bit like that. That's it. You can do the other eye like this. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Like that. And we'll finish off a smile from there to there. Yep. Alright, then we draw a line in here. And then we're going to draw the cheek all the way up to the eyeball. And draw a line like that.
That's not a line.
Oh, circle. Then I'm we'll go straight from here. So yeah, from there to there. That's it. Yep, that's it. And then we'll go across the top of the head. Just past the eye.
Oh, I was doing granny.
Okay, we're going to draw two lines here. And the other one. And two lines on the other side.
It looks like she's putting her foot back.
Okay, so then you've got
Ears.
the eyebrows. No, the eyebrows
Oh, what?
first. They're like little sausages. Like little triangles. And the other hand. And then we go a line along here.
Wait, what?
Foot.
Yo-yo.
Up. Another foot. Yep, we draw the tail now. And now we'll draw the toes.
Now we're going to colour in the picture. If you're having fun, press like. On the next video, we're going on an adventure, so press subscribe so you don't miss out.
And stick around because behind this door, we have a great surprise for Toby.
We're going to need a brown pencil.
Okay, so we'll start off by drawing a couple of guidelines to figure out where we're going to put all the colours in. And then we'll start colouring in her eyebrows and then her forehead. And now we'll move on to her stomach, her left foot, and then her right foot, and then the tip of her tail. And then her left hand, and then her right hand.
Now we're going to use a brown texter.
And now her nose.
Now we're going to use a light orange texter.
And now we'll do a few more guidelines for her spots. And we'll colour her left ear, and now her right ear. And we'll colour her left hand, and now we'll colour her body all over. Move on to her right arm, and her tail, and both the legs.
Oops, we're going to use the brown pencil again.
Yeah, oops, I forgot to colour in around her mouth, so we better colour that in as well.
We're going to use an orange texter.
Now we'll colour the spot on the tail, and the spot on her back, and the right side of her face, and the left side of her face as well. And we'll do the left ear, and now the right ear, and we're finished. Woohoo!
Can you help me with my picture now?
Of course I can, little dude. And we'll just colour that in there and skiddly dip da dee, and we are done. Give it a thumbs up.
A thumbs up.
And finally, we get to find out what's behind the door. So our new addition to the family is a surprise for Toby. He doesn't know yet, so shh. He's gonna be so excited to meet her. You haven't got a name yet.
Hey.
But Toby's gonna
Hello, baby.
come up with a name for us, so hopefully it's a good one. It's gonna be exciting.
Keep them closed. Keep it closed.
Nice.
All right, open them. We got a new puppy. What do you think? Is she?
I love it. Fluffy, fluffy.
She is fluffy.
Oh, she likes you.
She loves me.
Yeah, we'll
Cutie
discuss
pie,
this.
cutie pie.
Cutie pie?
Yeah.
But will she still be a cutie pie when she gets bigger?
Yes. She's like this. Oh.
Well, I think she likes her toy. Oh, yep. Yep. Are you guys going to be besties?